Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm about to show you how to set up the vertical response app inside your sub account. So let's get started. At the level of the app marketplace, once you search for the app, go at the install and then allow an install. You're asked to provide some credentials in order to get the installation going. Let's do it right away. Paste, continue, and we get success. The tool is already installed inside the sub account. The next step is to go at the level for custom page to search for the app. We scroll down and we notice we don't have anything, so we need to go and refresh the page. Perfect. So let's scroll down and we have vertical response. This is the new interface. We have the documentation, the tutorials, and the setup. At the level of documentation, it provides you all the steps that you follow in order to set up the app. At the level tutorials, you have the SmartCue guide that shows you how to get the credentials, and down here you have the setup video. And finally, the setup, which gives you the status of the app. Guys, if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach our support team, who is also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching.